Hi everybody and welcome to this unboxing from EMK. Today we have a big one for you. It is the Stormtrooper Premium 2-ounce silver helmet. Now I'm excited to get into this one, guys. It is a bit of a tricky box to get into. It's packed tight in there. Now most of you would know these Star Wars series coins are produced by the New Zealand Mint. We are about to see the latest in these ultra high relief coins. Bring that certificate back in a minute. I love how they pack the boxes in this nice little bag as well. Keeps it all protected for the collectors out there. And of course the Star Wars logo on the box itself. Let's open it up. Wow. That is cool. Oh my goodness, check him out, or her, who knows who's behind the mask. Look at that. Now, Star Wars fan or not, anybody has to be wowed by this coin. It is truly something to behold. Bit of minting awesomeness there. Now, of course, you can see that's produced on Niue, Queen Elizabeth II, and this one is 2020 proof ultra high relief. Now the mintage on these is pretty awesome, 250 pieces. Now if that's not an extra wow factor, then I don't know what is. 0.999 silver, and of course this little baby, well, this big baby comes with the box as we've seen. And then here's the certificate as well, excuse me. So it's part of the helmet collection. And if you've been following EMK's YouTube channel, you would have already seen the Stormtrooper in silver. This of course is the one in color. And you would have already seen Darth Vader as well. All of them are really impressive pieces. And I have to say, it is a pleasure unboxing from the New Zealand Mint. Really is a wow for both coin collectors and Star Wars fans. Just awesome. Just trying to get a better angle for you there. God, so cool. Awesome. Well, let me know what you guys think about this coin in the comments. And any further unboxings you'd like us to do here at EMK, we're very happy to oblige. See you next time. Bye.